Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're factory resetting your Sharp Smart TV step by step. First, power on your Sharp Smart TV using the remote or the physical power button. Now bring your hands to the remote and press the home button on the Sharp Smart TV. Wait for the Sharp Smart TV home screen to fully load. Move your hand to the settings icon on the Sharp Smart TV screen. Select settings and open it on your Sharp Smart TV. Scroll down slowly to find device preferences on your Sharp Smart TV. Tap device preferences to access deeper settings on the Sharp Smart TV. Look for the reset option inside your Sharp Smart TV menu. Select reset to start preparing your Sharp Smart TV for factory reset. The Sharp Smart TV will now ask for confirmation. Choose Factory Data Reset on the Sharp Smart TV screen. Move to erase everything to confirm the Sharp Smart TV reset. Press OK to start wiping data on your Sharp Smart TV. The Sharp Smart TV will now restart automatically. Hands off for a moment, while the Sharp Smart TV resets. You'll see the Sharp Smart TV logo appear during the reset. Wait patiently as your Sharp Smart TV erases all settings. After a few moments, your Sharp Smart TV boots back up. When the Sharp Smart TV setup screen appears, pick your language. Connect your Sharp Smart TV to Wi-Fi using the remote. Sign into your accounts again on your Sharp Smart TV. Now let's cover what to do if your Sharp Smart TV has no display. Place your hand on the power cable and unplug the Sharp Smart TV. Keep the Sharp Smart TV unplugged for 60 seconds. Hold the power button on the Sharp Smart TV for 15 seconds. Plug the Sharp Smart TV back into the wall socket firmly. Power on the Sharp Smart TV and look for the startup screen. If your Sharp Smart TV still freezes, try a hard key reset. Find the physical buttons on your Sharp Smart TV. Press and hold volume down and power together on the Sharp Smart TV. Keep holding until the Sharp Smart TV boots into recovery mode. Use the buttons to navigate recovery on the Sharp Smart TV. Highlight Wipe Data/Factory Reset on the Sharp Smart TV. Press power to select the reset option for the Sharp Smart TV. Confirm the wipe on your Sharp Smart TV. The Sharp Smart TV will begin resetting again. Wait while your Sharp Smart TV completes the process. Once done, reboot the Sharp Smart TV by selecting Restart. The Sharp Smart TV will restart with fresh settings. Follow the on-screen setup to finish configuring your Sharp Smart TV. Connect your Sharp Smart TV to your home network again. Reinstall your apps on the Sharp Smart TV. Adjust picture settings on your Sharp Smart TV for best quality. Check that all buttons respond correctly on the Sharp Smart TV remote. If the Sharp Smart TV still has issues, try one more power cycle. Unplug the Sharp Smart TV and hold the power again for 10 seconds. Plug the Sharp Smart TV back in and turn it on. Your Sharp Smart TV should now be functioning normally. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Your Sharp Smart TV reset is complete.